You're silly. You're laughing too much to drink that bottle. It's funny to be in the house for 5 days straight. Isn't it? It's funny. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Are you in your #1 shirt that Mom made out of puff paint? Yes, that's puff paint. Somebody's won in 1 day today. Cute kid. You're a kid now. Are you a kid now? You're not a baby? I can't call you my baby? Are you my kid? I got a 1-year-old. A 1-year-old. You a ham. You are a big ham. What is so funny? Tell us. Tell us what is so funny. Is it funny to smack Daddy around? Get him. Get him, Logan. Get him. Oh, just wait till he's a little bigger. He's gonna beat you up. He's silly. I'm not drinking that, really. Big boy. Big boy.
Oh.
I'm not done smacking you. Say hello, everybody.
Say hello.
He's been doing like back bends. Full arch. Whee! You are so big. I got on the scale with him today. I believe he is a full 24 pounds.
24 pounds.
That's a stack of potatoes times 10.
24 pounds. 24 pounds.
No more. No. All right, let's sign off.